So we do have a couple to several more hours to go to get through the snow. And then as temperatures warm, we're going to see that change over to rain showers this afternoon. So it's definitely going to be a messy Saturday. Winter storm warning continues until noon across Metro Detroit. You see the advisory until noon as well for areas from Lapeer, Sanilac and St. Clair counties. We look at the radar, widespread snow across the area. It's beginning to pick up in intensity from Lansing to Ann Arbor. One thing I want to mention too, had a report come in and you can see it on radar. Changing over to freezing rain and rain already. Areas south of I-94 around Adrian, Tecumseh, so through Lenawee County, seeing that little changeover. This is going to come and go south of Detroit because temperatures are trying to warm, so it's not going to be uncommon to see that going back and forth between rain, freezing rain and snow. Areas south of the city. It is snow and it's picking up from Ann Arbor and then heading into Belleville, so we'll see that toward Canton as well. Visibility now down to about a quarter mile in some locations to about a half mile at Metro Airport. Seeing visibility below a mile in Ypsilanti through Washtenaw County. There's that changeover from South Bend to Fort Wayne. And again, it's going to wobble between snow and a mix just because temperatures are struggling. We're at about the freezing mark to our south. Toledo at 33 right now. Findlay, Ohio, Fort Wayne up a degree from the last half hour. So we're starting to see that warming trend. And this is going to go from south to north across the area. So as temperatures warm a bit this morning, mainly toward the afternoon, that's when we'll see that change over to drizzle and rain. 28 degrees in Ann Arbor, 26 degrees in Pontiac. Wind speeds between 15 and 25 miles per hour, but gusts up to 30. So at times visibility is really going to drop with the winds. And then this afternoon with the rain, it is going to be continuing to be windy. So anything refreezing is going to weigh down on power lines. So just be aware of that. We'll watch for that, especially tonight. But the warning along the lakeshore, the advisory along the lakeshore through today for high waves and, of course, beach erosion, but mainly because of those strong winds. Wind chills a factor in the 20s. Temperatures are actually going to warm above freezing this afternoon, but you can see our wind chills will stay in the 20s. So here's our hour-by-hour forecast, looping through time anywhere south of I-94. That changeover to rain, a mix, even a little bit of sleet this morning. Everybody else looks to be about noon or thereafter to start to see some of that rain moving in for several hours during the afternoon up until about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Kind of quiet for the evening. Snow showers become more lake effect variety. We know lake effect is more localized, but bursts of moderate snow certainly possible in some spots with that lake effect tonight into tomorrow. And it's going to stay real cold tomorrow into Monday. So as we go through the next 24 hours, what you can expect is the rain on top is going to compact that snow. Make sure you try to clean it up as best as you can. Even before the rain, certainly want to tonight before things start to freeze again. It is going to be tough to try to get that up once it's icy tomorrow, and that cold snap does stay with us into next week. So 39 for your high today. So temperatures will be rising only to drop below freezing tonight. Watch for icy spots even tomorrow. Scattered lake effect snow showers for Sunday. Right now, Monday.